UltraTech Cement is the company in focus on the back of the fact that the company declared its quarterly results, and the company declared a very robust set of numbers for the quarter gone by. The company managed to beat street estimates, analyst polls, as well as the ET Now estimates by quite a handsome margin across all of the operational parameters. So when you're talking about the revenues jumped up almost 18% on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA jumped up 56% on a year-on-year basis. When you're talking about the margins, a 500 basis point expansion is the kind of margin improvement UltraTech has managed to post. Not only that, on the back of all of these operational efficiencies, the profitability has more than doubled on a year-on-year basis for UltraTech, coming in at a little over 1,500 crore rupees. Now, very interestingly, one of the main reasons for the beat has been the very strong volume growth that the company has seen. Volume offtake has jumped up by almost 14% on a year-on-year basis, with volume offtakes coming in almost close to 23 million tons for the quarter gone by. Now, the other important thing is that the capacity utilization trends for the quarter gone by has been almost at 80%. Again, this is 11% jump, and these are some very strong demand trends that are being witnessed from the UltraTech company management, which has alluded to all of these parameters in the quarterly press release. Now, remember, in the quarter gone by, CCI actually visited the premises during the quarter. Now remember, CCI is the Competition Commission of India, and a lot of the cement companies were being targeted in what was allegedly a cartelization claim. Now what the company is saying is that yes, CCI did visit the premises. However, currently they do not see any material impact from these particular visits by CCI. They said the company has also said that very strong recovery has been seen from COVID-led disruption, recovery led by quicker demand stabilization. Also, company saying seeing supply side restoration and greater cost efficiencies. Now, going forward, what they believe is that pickup in infrastructure projects as well as government CAPEX is something that could help further recovery. Now remember, UltraTech Cement, after the acquisition of multiple companies, especially Binani, also when you're talking about the acquisition of Century, you actually also saw some worries coming in terms of net debt addition as far as the balance sheet was concerned, but the company has reduced net debt by almost 2,700 crore in the quarter gone by, also reduced debt by close to 7,400 crore YTD, and the company has also announced a CAPEX of almost 5,500 crore to further increase the capacity by 12.8 million tons per annum. This particular acquisition will actually make UltraTech the third largest cement company in the world besides China. Along expected lines, most of the brokerages have continued to maintain a very strong stance. JP Morgan, CLSA, Morgan Stanley, all of them have come out with their notes where they are quite bullish as far as the prospects of UltraTech are concerned. One of the factors that they do mention, and which is a little bit of a cautionary measure that they say, they believe that return ratios here or margins here could actually be slightly subdued given the fact that coal as well as petcoke prices are on the upswing.